Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Queen Love. And if you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Um, Today I will be cooking jerk chicken for the very first time. Some rice and pinto beans. And I have my turkey wings for my beans. And this is what was recommended. And I'm doing mild because they had mild and hot. So, yeah, I'll be doing jerk chicken and rice. And you got to clean your chicken so many times. So, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. And if you have any suggestions, guys, don't hesitate to leave them down below. So, yeah, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And if you want me to cook a specific dish, don't hesitate to leave it down below as well. Because Queen Love be dropping those fire dishes, quick recipes. Some of them are a little long. It takes a little more time, but it'll be worth the wait. I can't wait to see how this jerk chicken turns out, and I'm quite sure it's going to be good. It will be my first time ever doing jerk chicken, and it was highly recommended. So stay tuned, guys. I got to clean this chicken. As you can see, it's pretty nasty, and I got to cut some skin and all of that stuff off. So like I said, don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, and let's get this video to 1,000 likes, guys. 1,000 likes or more. Yeah, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I got my chicken all washed up, and I'm about to start applying this jerk sauce. And they say put it under the skin. This is my very first time. I don't know if it's supposed to be heavy or not, but I do know you're supposed to cover it. And I do have a jerk dry rub, seasoning rather. You got to make sure you clean that chicken good, because chicken is so dirty. I clean all my cavities. So guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end and go binge watch the other videos. Um, Give this video a fat thumbs up. Like I said, let's see if we can get this to 1,000 likes, guys. I would greatly appreciate it. And from what I've seen, I think I got to put more because they have it kind of heavy on there. And like I said, I do have some dry seasoning. Jamaican jerk that I'm about to add on it. It smells so good. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put salt on it or not, guys. But forgive me because I didn't look it up. I've just seen certain people cook it or prepare it. I'm going to use a little sea salt. And I already have my beans on, and it don't take long for rice, but I'm going to put this in the oven on 350. I have my pan ready for this. Should I apply onion? Excuse me. Onion or not? I think I will. It's a lot of jerk seasoning on this cutting board. And I'm just going to rake it off. Or should I just let it cook without the onion? I'm just going to do it without the onion this time because, like I said, this is my very first time cooking jerk chicken. So this is what it looked like before it goes in the oven, guys. And these are leg quarters. A lot of people might not clean as they go. I clean as I go. And this is all that gook that came off of those leg quarters. So stay tuned for the rest of the finished product of this video. See you guys soon. Now guys, my rice is done and my beans are just about done with this turkey. Yep, just letting it slow cook. So give this video a fat thumbs up and don't forget, like I said, subscribe, share, comment, and give any suggestions that you think you might want to see me cook a special dish. Let me know. All right, guys, this is my jerk chicken, and it have actually is falling apart. You see that? And it looks amazing. All right, guys, let's check in on these beans. And as you see, the turkey has oil off the bone. And the beans are still cooking. Can't wait. Yep.